This one I'm gonna have to improvise. I did one before. Again, just maybe repeating myself once again. I mean, welcome once again to Elaraki School, International School. Welcome to Morocco. Welcome to your country. I can't thank you enough for the initiatives you are taking. Again, empowering the youth, empowering the women. I'm so proud of what our youth are doing in coordination with Project Soar. It's their initiative. It's because of their initiative that you're here. I mean, I would have never dreamt that I could have invited the head of the IMF as head of school. They did it. The youth did it. And this is an example again of what the youth can achieve if we trust them. If it was not for them, you would never have been here. We're so proud of what they're doing. Thank you very much. Keep on the good work. And we do believe in you. And we do believe that you are going to change the world for a better future for all of us. Thank you very much. Thank you for being here.
We are very honored to have here with us the Managing Director of the International Monetary Fund, Kristalina Georgieva.
Salam alaikum. Bonjour and very good morning once again. I am very grateful to Mariam, the leader of Project Soar, for organizing for us a chance to be here. And of course, from my heart, my thanks go to the school, to the, where did the director go? Where is he? Right there. Thank you very much from all of us. We all felt for Morocco when on September 8th the ground shook and it led to very tragic loss of life, and of course for many people the consequences are still there. And we felt that the very best way to express our gratitude to the Moroccan authorities, our Minister of Finance, our partner is right here, is to say we are here in solidarity with Morocco. And starting with that small gesture of solidarity today, for us at the World Bank and at the IMF is the right way to start the meetings. I want to recognize the girls in Project Soar. They are we just had the chance to have a short conversation. These girls radiate courage, confidence, and commitment to lift up other girls the same way Project Soar is lifting them up. They are coming from places in Morocco that not all have the tremendous opportunities our kids in Washington or around the world have. Some of them are the only girl in the village that is going to school and bringing back to the other girls in the village. Yes, we can do that. And I think we can all humbly take a lesson from these girls. Nothing is impossible. We can achieve everything that we set our eyes on. And for us at the IMF and the World Bank, what it means is we set up our eyes on a world that is prosperous, that is fair, and is resilient to shocks like the earthquake that are more to come. So, thank you very much, everybody. To Morocco, I have a very simple message, and it is this. We love you. And so does my dear friend Farid, who is going to say a couple of words on behalf of our beloved sister institution, the World Bank Group.
Thank you very much كريستالينا. شكرا جزيلا وصباح الخير. نحن معكم اليوم لأننا معكم في تضامن مع الشعب المغربي، تضامن مع المغرب، وخاصة تضامن مع كل الفتيات التي اليوم معنا اليوم في التظاهرة هذه. وشكرا جزيلا لسيد يونس لأنه وضع على ذمة هذه الفتيات هذه المدرسة التي يعني في الحقيقة يعني تعطي أكثر من برهان على التعاطف وعلى التفاعل الإيجابي بين الشعب المغربي بينه وبين المدينة اليوم التي يعني يمكن مشات في وضع صعب، لكن في آخر الأمر يعني توصل إلى مستوى من الشجاعة وبرهان مرة أخرى على أن المغرب ومراكش يعني يتجاوزون كل الصعوبات وكل المشاكل. انتقل للغة الإنجليزية. Thank you very much again for being here. It is really a pleasure and an honor for us to be here, to be in this school. I'd like to thank Yunus for what he's doing and thank each and every one of those girls for the amazing spirit that they have put at the disposal, of the city, because it shows that whatever the circumstances and the difficulties, the cities will always come out of it on top. So thank you. This is the spirit of Morocco, the spirit of Marrakesh, and we are with you all the way. Thank you very much. And Kristalina, whatever I can do, I will not be able to match, your spirit and your energy. So I'll do my best. Then again, thanks so much for everybody. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Farid. We are also very pleased to have here with us the Minister of Economy and Finance of Morocco, Madame Nadia Ftah Alawi.
Assalamu alaikum. If you allow me, I will speak in English first. To thank you, Kristalina. I think I had a chance to thank you in private, but we are starting, and thank also the World Bank on behalf of Farid. You being here today is a strong message of solidarity, of great partnership with Morocco. We've been across so many crises, but the last one, exactly a month ago, was a real human tragedy. But thanks to the solidarity of all Moroccan, to the great program and the guidance and of His Majesty the King, we are here. We are able to, I would say, host the annual meeting, but definitely our priority is to take care of the victims, the provinces who suffered from the earthquake. I'm so proud and so grateful that you are starting these annual meetings by meeting girls from villages. To these girls, I want to say that on behalf of the government, of all my colleagues working daily on the public sector, our duty, our responsibility is to build a better future for you. The world is yours. You have crossed very difficult conditions, but I can assure you that will raise the voice of girls everywhere in the world. In Africa, it is important, and in Morocco. Thank you for for these initiatives, and once again, we are committed all together for a better future for girls and boys too. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. We would also like to call Elaraki TED Club representative student Adam Bouhali.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It truly is an immense pleasure for me to stand before you today, not only as an individual, but also as the representative of the TED Club and as a student here at Elaraki International School of Morocco. My name is Adam Bouhali, and I am one of the advisors in the TED Club. And as I said, I cannot begin to express how proud we are to be part of such an event that aligns itself with our values and the philosophy of TED, promoting ideas worth spreading. Ideas like the ones portrayed throughout this whole event, ideas that shape our world and influence the lives of many, ideas deeply needed for the improvement of the united human society. We believe that this mission we have given ourselves is crucial. Even though we might be minute actors in the grand scheme of things, but isn't it the case for everything and everybody? That doesn't mean that small positive impacts cannot bring about big changes. Big changes like the ones made by Project Soar in our community, or like the ones made by the IMF and the World Bank throughout the whole world. Everybody acts on a certain scale and level, but thankfully, all efforts emerge and merge at the same time for the common good of all. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope you'll enjoy your stay in Morocco. Welcome to Morocco.
Thank you, Adam. Last but not least, please welcome the founder and the executive director of Project Soar, Madame Mariam Montague.
Distinguished guests, head of the IMF, a special honor for the minister, world-class change makers, good morning. My name is Mariam Montague, and I'm the founder and executive director of Project Soar. I'm here because I'm a girl power investor. I think you're here because you might be one too. There can be no greater investment than an investment in girls and women. In 2013, I founded Project Soar in a small village about 30 minutes from here. My inspiration was my 11-year-old daughter, Skylar. The idea for the project was simple, so she could get a few friends in the village, but also that we together could support girls to soar. That is still what we do today. In 2017, we developed the Soar solution in Arabic. It's right here, in this bag on wheels. Inside, you will find a methodology taught by certified SOAR facilitators to empower groups of teen girls to become young leaders and drivers in their own lives. Since that time, we have held over 117,000 workshops. In over 92 locations across the country, workshops that have helped girls understand their value, their voice, their body, their rights, and their path. Thousands of Moroccan teen girls have participated in these workshops. So, I know as the IMF and the World Bank, you care about data. I know as the Ministry of Finance that you care about numbers. So, does Project Soar work? Well, let the data speak for itself. Every year, between 85 to 95% of SOAR girls in high school pass the very tricky baccalaureate. This is considerably higher than the national rate. And these girls are coming from underserved places where they're often the first in their families to take the baccalaureate. Also, every year, less than 1% of SOAR girls gets married underage. That's considerably lower than the national rate of about 1 in 7, as my colleague at the UN will share. But SOAR girls do so much more than that as young leaders. These girls lead SOAR dialogues in their own communities about issues that matter to them, whether it's ways to stay in school when their community doesn't necessarily give them everything they need to stay, or whether it's fighting sexual harassment, which is a reality everywhere in the world. Also, SOAR girls lead the bigger movement. That's the movement to close all legal loopholes to child marriage, with 8 proposed amendments to the family code, or the family law here. They have advocated with ministers, parliamentarians, UN agencies, local government officials, and on TV. You might be able to tell from my t-shirt that they believe that the age of marriage should be 18, with no exceptions. Today, you'll have a chance to participate in some SOAR magic, working side by side with SOAR girls and SOAR staff to put together hygiene kits that we will be bringing to Eril with our friend Salah, who's from Eril. This is the very epicenter where the earthquake hit. Hundreds of women and girls are going to benefit from the work that you do today with your own 2 hands. I think this is an act that my Sufi mother would say is going to bring us all baraka, or divine blessings. But it's also an act of Ubuntu. I am because we are, and I thank you.
3, 2, 1.